Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this daily challenge from LeetCode. Search in rotated sorted array. So we have been given an array nums and it is sorted in ascending order. But what has been done here is that it is rotated, possibly rotated towards left by k numbers. So we need to find the integer target in this array and return true, return its position, otherwise return -1. And since we have to do this in log n, we cannot go with the brute force linear search. So this is very standard question of binary search where we do double binary search, and the approach is very similar to the regular binary search where we start by defining a low, then a high, dot size -1, and we start the while loop. Low is less than equal to high. Now we will have a mid which will be low plus high by 2. Okay, now if the mid element is our target, then we return it. So it is target itself, then return mid. Now next, so suppose this is our array 0 1 2 4 5 6 7. Now if I had to find target 0, I will start from here, and then I know that the mid value is greater than the target, so we go to the left half, and then again the mid value will be greater, so we go to the left half. This is how we do it in normal binary search. So but here the numbers have been shifted by 3 digits, so it has now become 4 5 6 7 0 1 2. So the order remains the same, however there is a breakpoint and the numbers here are smaller than this number. So to search for a given number, when we compare it with the mid element, if it is same as the target, we return it. Otherwise we check. If we take a look on this array, we will see that from any element, either left side or right side of it is sorted properly. So we can see that the left side of 7 is sorted, however the right side is not sorted. It is sorted, but there is a break here. So we can compare our target value in this half, and if it is not between 4 and 7, then we can go, then it is quite possible that it is in the right half or it is not present in the array. So now if I am on this index and I am considering the size, this one, only this part, so I can see the right half is sorted, however the left half is not sorted. So I will check whether my target is present between 0 and 2, and if it is like, if it lies between 0 and 2, then I'll go into this half, otherwise I'll go in this half. So this is how we do the double binary search here. So here, first of all, if left half is sorted, so how do we check that? It is checked if the start variable is lesser than the mid value. So array low is less than array mid. Okay, now what? The left half is sorted, so if the target lies between the first and the mid value, then we will go into this half only, otherwise we will go into this half. So if array low is less than equal to target and target is less than equal to array mid, so if it lies between the range low and mid, then we go into the left part, which is the sorted one. So we'll just update our high with mid -1, else we'll just go to the right half, mid +1. Now in a very similar way, if the right half is sorted, then we will compare the target value to with the right side only. So else if the target lies between the mid value and the high value, then it is present in the right half only. So we'll just go into the right half, otherwise we'll go into the left half. So yeah, okay, I'll just write right half is sorted. So yes, Okay, that's it. Now if we jump into the target value, we'll just return the mid value, and if we do not find it, then finally we return a -1. Let's run it. Okay, I have a network error, so this array, okay, yes, the naming is array not nums. Nums कर लेते हैं. Change it. Sorry for this, I just renamed everything to array. Okay, the test cases get passed. Let's submit it. Okay, return output expected 1. So here if I give an equality, then we can rerun. Okay, it gets passed again. Now it gets accepted, and it is 100% fast solution, and hope you liked it. Thank you.